Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the watch is powered and unlocked, then open settings on the watch. Alternatively, use the watch app on your iPhone. Once done, identify what you want: silent, alerts, media, or calls, because the steps differ slightly. Make sure Do Not Disturb is not already active if you need targeted control. You'll begin with sound controls, so tap sounds and haptics on the watch. This gets you to volume and alert toggles quickly and prevents accidental navigation delays. Now adjust the alert volume slider all the way down to 0 if you want no audible alerts. You can also lower it partway for quiet beeps. Then, tap haptic strength and reduce or disable it. This controls vibration feedback. If you prefer complete silence for sounds only, enable silent mode. This mutes alerts while leaving some background features intact. Make sure to confirm changes visually on the slider, because physical feedback might be suppressed when you turn sound off. Finish by muting incoming calls and notifications. Enable cover to mute so you can lay your palm over the screen to silence a call instantly. Next, set a focus or Do Not Disturb schedule from the watch or iPhone to suppress alerts for a set time. If you still hear sound, make sure your iPhone mirror settings aren't overriding watch settings, then restart both devices to clear glitches. One troubleshooting tip: if muting fails, toggle silent mode off and on, then reapply settings. This often resolves stuck audio states.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.